gods, he got another bike. How many motorcycles
is Sky Champion good?
How many motorcycles is going to get? From the Z1000 to the ZX-10R to the ZX-6R to the DRZ. And now Powamoto presents another new bike, the
Powamoto.
Motorcycle riding. Stunts like you've never seen before. Beautiful models.
You fake YouTubers, it's on.
And I came to rah.
Powamoto. To the bank. Yeah, what are you doing with the gear? Going to the bank. Just follow me. Hey, how are you doing? Looks like 3,500 right now.
What's up?
Buddy, I got the cash. Where are you?
I'm at my house.
Go away! Go away! Give me your keys. All right, here. Count it. Count this in front of me.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Looky. It's bike reveal on Powamoto. What do we have? What is it? What's under the new Zari cover? Huh? Is it a dirt bike? Is it a Street Fighter? Another Street Fighter? Is it an ADV bike? No, it's sitting kind of low and lean. Is it a cruiser? What is it? Let's take a look. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Honda CBR 1000 Double R on Powamoto. Subscribe today. Let's go for a ride. Let's do it. Listen to that, Yoshimura. More power to the moto on Powamoto. Well, I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Best of luck to what you needed those funds for, to clean out your garage. I can't wait to see your stunt bikes up and coming, and your beautiful wife on that boat. Woo! Can I show those videos, bro? All right.
All right, be safe.
All right.
Call me later and give me a review.
All right, check out this guy's wife on his boat. She's doing it. I got his bike, I got his wife, now I'm going to do the stunts. Tell your wife I'll be back later. I'll see you! This Honda rips! This Honda rips! Oh man! Ah! The first ride on Powamoto Honda CBR 1000 Double R. It's a Powamoto. Subscribe today. Oh yeah! Oh yeah, ma! We doing it. We are doing it. Talk to me! It's flying me to India when I sell it! This is how I go to India. We gotta get a buyer now, okay? We gotta get a buyer. It's for sale, bro. This is merchandise for Powamoto. Yes, you got it now. You got it! We're on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. We're doing it! You don't like riding your bike? Give me a keys. You done? Give me a keys. The shop is open, my brother! The shop is open, my brother. Hey, it's for sale. I'll go get another one. Thanks for the bike, bro. Sorry I had to take her away. She's getting me.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hit that playlist. Support this channel, fam. And I see you on the next one. If you like this video, check out one of these 2 other similar videos. And thanks for subscribing. We out!